Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook, how to change your Facebook name. So whatever reason which you want to change your name, so I'm going to show you. Firstly, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's get started. What you have to do next for you to go over to the menu which is showing the profile icon there by the right corner. Let me go over to it, and what you have to do next for you to go over to setting and privacy. Over here you're going to see setting. Let me go over to setting, and you're going to see Mensa account center. So let me go over to account center, and there you're going to see profiles. So let me go over to it, and you're going to choose the account which you want to change your name. You have to choose the account which you want to change your name, which you want to change your Facebook name. So let me go over to the first one, and here you're going to see name, user, profile picture, avatar. So let me go over to name, and here you can change your name. Let me go over to typing. Just let me go over to typing any name here. Let me just type in Favor, and when you are done with that, you just have to go over to preview change, and with that you've changed your Facebook name. So guys, this is the end of this video. I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.